Alright, back to the video. Just take these off. Boom, boom, boom. I would start off taking off the front ones first, but do it all at once. I mean, you could put the front ones on and then put the back ones on, but I wouldn't do that. I've done it before, just like me. I put these in. Some little not that bad cheap ones. I'm gonna keep those. These are the right ones that I'm supposed to put in. Motor crash. Best one for this vehicle. So this is what you do. You're gonna come around, you're gonna take this air cleaner off. Take this off. You know you gotta take the screws off. You want to take all this off. Okay, if you're an idiot, you should know how to take all that off. Take that off. You're gonna undo your hoses. This one. And you don't gotta really take this one off. Either one, just move this off to the side. Then you're going to take all this off. You're going to take off screws. Just loosen them up. Just for now. That one. Those. You should be able to see that. Those. It's one. Underneath this right here. Just fish around. You should be able to see it. It's right there. You see it right there. Then it's a tricky one. It's all the way underneath there, back there. Don't know if you can see that, but it's for the intake manifold. You don't remove that sucker. Just stop. Don't even try to rip all this shit out without moving that screw back there. Very important. And screws. You don't gotta take the ones back there. All this is just one piece right here. Comes down. Just this right here. That's it. It's nothing connected in the back. It's just sitting up like a fish fin, basically. So the wires are really was the only thing that was really in the wake. I had to move this right here just to take this, kind of lift it up, shift it out here, and kind of like pry it up on this little piece right here after I get it out there and just angle it. Don't take it all the way out if you'll have to. Take it right there, pull all that up. You can see that's one of these back there. It's all the way across, just like the front. Front is easy. Back is where you gotta work with. You need some of your extensions. Get you extensions. It works for you. A little swabber. Just one. You don't really need that much, but just a swabber. That's it. Alright.